Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Forms connected to Power Apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to the Microsoft Forms website. Sign in to your Microsoft account if prompted. Once you're on the Forms homepage, click on New Form to create a new form. Design your form by adding a title and description. Use the plus Add Question button to include various question types like multiple choice, text, or rating. After completing your form, click on the Share button in the upper right corner. In the sharing options, select anyone with the link can respond for public access. Copy the link provided for your form. Now, open another tab and go to the Power Apps website. Sign in to your Power Apps account. From the Power Apps homepage, click on Create in the left sidebar. Select Canvas app from blank to start a new app. Give your app a name and choose the desired format, then click Create. In the App Editor, go to the Data section on the left panel. Click on Add Data to connect a data source. Search for and select Microsoft Forms from the list of connectors. Paste the link you copied from Microsoft Forms into the required field. Configure any additional settings as needed and click Connect. Now, in the App Editor, you can add a new screen to display your form. In the new screen, use the Forms control from the Insert menu. Set the Forms data source to the Microsoft Forms connection you just created. Customize the form layout and appearance according to your needs. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click on the File menu. Select Save to save your progress. After saving, click on Publish to make your app available for users. Finally, test your app to ensure everything is functioning correctly with the Microsoft Forms connection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.